Everyone, in this video I am going to do chapter 9's worksheets 2 and question number is 12. So before I start the question, I am reading the statement. See here, the distance between two towns is 300 kilometer. Two cars start simultaneously from these towns and move towards each other. The speed of one car is more than the other by 7 km per hour. If the distance between the cars after 2 hours is 34 km, find the speed of the cars. Question is not difficult if understood properly. तो आपने अच्छे से समझना है इस क्वेश्चन को. So see here, I am making it understand with the help of a figure. See here, suppose one car starts from A and another car starts from B and both are moving towards each other this way. A is moving this way, B is moving this way, means towards each other. And then how much is the total distance between these two towns? It is 300 kilometer. This is. So two cars, one starts from A, one starts from B and both move towards each other this way. The speed of one car is more than the other by 7 km per hour. Now suppose the car which started from A, it has moved up to here, and the car which started from B, it has moved up to here, and this distance is left uncovered. How much is this uncovered distance? It is given in the question. 34 kilometer. This, and moreover there is given one time also, that they are the distance between the two cars after 2 hours, means यहां से लेकर यहां तक पहुंचने में फर्स्ट कार को 2 आवर्स लगे, यहां से लेकर यहां तक पहुंचने को सेकंड कार को भी 2 आवर्स लगे. राइट. तो अब आपने इसको स्टेप वाइज क्वेश्चन को करना है. सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे? लेट one car starts from town A and the other car starts from town B. So one car is starting from A and other is starting from B, and at the same time both are starting at the same time and move towards each other, and both are moving towards each other. So I have shown it in the figure to make you better understand. So I am assuming speed of first car. Let speed of first car, let it be x kilometer per hour. So therefore speed of second car. Now once again you read the question, what he has told about the speeds of both the cars. He has told that one car is speed is more than the other by 7 km per hour. So it will be x plus 7 km per hour. It means distance traveled by the first car in 1 hour is x kilometer. Speed का मतलब कि in 1 hour it is covering this distance. So I am writing here distance covered by first car in 1 hour. How much? X kilometer. So it is told that they are reaching here after 2 hours. So I am writing here now distance. In the question timing is given 2 hours. Distance covered by first car in 2 hours. So distance is speed into time. So 2, it will be 2x. kilometer. 2x kilometer. Similarly, distance covered by second car, distance covered by second car in 1 hour. कितना होगा 1 आवर में सेकंड कार ने जो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया? ये देखो, स्पीड उसकी x+7 थी ना, तो 1 आवर में उसने कितना ट्रेवल किया? x+7 किलोमीटर। तो इसका भी 2 आवर्स में निकालेंगे। डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय सेकंड कार in 2 hours. So in 1 hour, if it was x+7, in 2 hours it will be 2 into x+7 kilometer. 2 into x+7 kilometer. So distance between two stations total is given what? 300 kilometer according to question. So as I told कि जो distance यहाँ तक ट्रेवल हुआ, जो यहाँ तक ट्रेवल हुआ, प्लस जो बच गया, तीनों को प्लस कर दो और 300 के इक्वल कर दो. सो इट इज 2x प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स प्लस 7 और बच कितना गया? 34 एंड टोटल इज इक्वल टू 300. नाउ वी जस्ट नीड टू सॉल्व इट. 2x प्लस 2 sevens are 14 plus 34 is equal to 300. 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 48. 34 and 14 is 48. 300. So it is 4x is equal to 300 minus 48. 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 4 is 5 and this 252. So x we will find 252 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24, 1 4 3 are 12, 63. So we have got x as 63. Now what is asked in the question? In the question last line check, it is written if this find the speed of the cars. So therefore speed of first car, it is x, so it will be 63 kilometer per hour. And then speed of second car, what was speed of second car? X plus 7. So x is 63 plus 7 is 7 only. 63 plus 7 kilometer per hour. So 63 plus 7 is 70 kilometer per hour. So question is although long but not difficult. So do all the steps stepwise. Understand. Same type of one example is also there in book. You must try that also. Thank you.